Hey guys, we're back at it again, heading to San Francisco in a few minutes here. Super excited. We got an Uber, and this is what it looks like.
It's not an Uber, you're driving.
Guys, so first stop was at Wishlist Autos here in Livermore. Just checking out the Maserati. Uber for today, the Supreme Rolls Royce. Oh yeah.
So guys, we actually stopped at the gas station.
Show them the seats.
That's right.
So,
Hey Mo, what are we doing?
going to Moscone Center right now in the beautiful Rolls Royce with Danny P.
Are you an Uber driver?
I'm fucking, they signed me up as Uber driver today.
What are you driving?
A Rolls Royce.
Oh my goodness. It's a beautiful day. It's kind of wet.
We like it wet though.
Of course you do.
What's up, everybody? We finally made it here in San Francisco. Let's check out what cars they have today. Let's go. What's up, everybody? We're about to go in now. Here's the auto show. Guys, I'm super excited to see what kind of cars they have here this year. Let's go. Toyota Tundra, Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, 370Z. Ooh, so beautiful. You guys follow Danny P's Instagram. Here's his wide-bodied 458. We'll see this baby come out of here later tonight. Super excited. Finished up with the car show. Going to grab some food now. Hey! Where are we going? Fogo de Chao. Thank you, sir.
All visitors must exit the building immediately. Thank you. Stones are moved until the building is cleared of all visitors. We will notify you when the building is cleared.
Habibi!
So we're out here. We're actually going to the warehouse now. We had a great day today. Thank you. Shout out to Danny. You're the best. Now we're actually heading out to where?
That'll be a mystery.